Hey guys, welcome to part 7 of the Dropshipping with AliExpress course. Before I jump into the advertising with Facebook and retargeting, I wanted to jump into a couple different things that should help you sell more product once people get to your store. And that would be amplifying your product pages with different triggers around scarcity and social proof. Now, what do I mean by scarcity and social proof? Scarcity is when you take a product and give it a limited amount of time and or amount available for an individual. So they have to rush / have the feeling of rushing to buy it before it sells out and or before an offer ends. And then social proof is showing that other people are buying that product, right? So making sure that individuals believe that this is a product that's selling. It's not the only one. They're not the only one that's buying this product, and it is something worthwhile. So I'm going to show you a couple tools that you can install to really help push this this thought process and really make sure that you are driving people to buy when they come from a Facebook ad. Now the first tool is POWR, Power Countdown Timer. It's completely free. You can download it right from the App Store. And what I'm going to do here is just fill a little bit of information and then show you where this goes on the product page. And basically what you're doing is from a Facebook ad, you're driving people to a product that you want them to buy, but you want to make sure they feel like there's a limited time and a limited amount for them to buy, so they're more willing to take that risk and buy it right away. So for here, I just do a date. You can do a date or a number, and I do a countdown, and you can just put in, for example, like 600 seconds reset, and that will say, oh, you have 599 seconds to take this offer and run. That doesn't necessarily mean it's true. You can get this thing to restart every 600 seconds, but the amount of people that stay on a website for more than 30 to 60 seconds is very limited, so you're only working with a minute anyways of their time. And after countdown, you just hit repeat, right? So it will basically repeat when it runs out of the 600 seconds. So that will automatically pop up. I'm going to hit next here. You can go into each of these things and change information, font sizes, colors, and so on, and make this very customized for yourself. But I'm just, in the interest of time, going to go through and save this as scare_kitchen_up and save that to the account. And you can pay for it, but you can also do free. So I'm just going to hit select free. And you'll notice that they give you this little piece of code. And to make this work, you basically have to go to the page, paste the code into any product page or post, and then add to the home page if you want to get it across everything right here. So all I'm going to do is go over to our product page. I copied that. I'm going to go into our product right here, and I'm going to do two things, two very simple things. The first one is I'm going to go into the description, and I'm going to go up. No, I'm going to go up and fix that really quick and move that, and I'm just going to go countdown timer, and then I'm also going to add, okay guys, so I'm going to add this little line right here that is basically saying there's only 12 left in stock. There's apps that help you do this. That's not necessarily true, but it gives a sense of scarcity, so adding a line like that's extremely helpful. And then also the code to get the timer. I'm going to hit save right here, and then I should be able to view this directly on our account, and you'll see that there's only 12 left in stock, and the timer pops up. Now you won't see the edit here. You can write above this like limited time offer, only X amount left. You will only see this as an individual, but the timer comes up here. So you see only 12 left in stock right underneath the add-on cart, and then also the timer running. So you can call that out in different ways as you want, but you can see already a couple scarcity aspects coming into play here. So really helpful. And then also you have McAfee at the bottom, and that is giving you the security aspect that we talked about before, which makes it really powerful for us to get that information across to people that this is a secure website. So that's one aspect. The other thing, the other apps, and I'm just going to call them out. I'm not going to actually install them right now, but this is a cool app that I like using right now. I think there's a better version coming out in the next month or two, but if you type in Yo, you can basically install this app right here, and I'll just read it to you in the interest of time. But it's really simple to install, and basically what it does is it displays recent sales in real time. So as sales happen on your store, people that are coming to the store will get notifications saying, Bob bought your kitchen spatula 12 minutes ago, a day ago, so on and so forth. So it's showing that there's social proof and aspects that allow people to understand that the customers are buying from your store and their products are good. So those are a few things. The other thing, guys, that you can put here is the reviews. So you should install the review app, and I'll go right to my Shopify page right now and do product reviews. This is another one which is quite simple. You go into the product reviews application. You have no reviews yet, but you make sure that this is enabled. You pick the theme information and what it looks like, so forth and so on, and this will basically show up on each one of the pages, and you will start getting reviews. Now, I recommend using and emailing any of your individuals that have gone and purchased from you and asked for a review, because the more reviews you have on your page, the more likely people are going to buy from you. So between the scarcity aspect of the amount of inventory and the countdown timer, the social proof of the reviews here, and also recent purchases, you should have a very strong foundation to get people to buy from you. So, okay guys, that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the Facebook advertising, and I look forward to talking to you soon.